There are a lot of 3D software that can give designers and architects the possibility to bring their ideas and concepts to life using different tools that can create realistic renders. Two of the well-known software in this field are Lumion and Enscape. They both have different tools and features that can help you work on your projects. And today we're going to take a close look at them to see which one is better for you. Lumion is a software designed to render images, videos, animations, and panoramic pictures. It has been released in 2010, and since then it gained a lot of popularity in architecture and design industry. It also has been developed a lot lately because every new version presents better tools and features for its users. Enscape, on the other hand, is a great design tool. It has become standard application for rendering in the industry of design and architecture. It is a virtual reality and real-time rendering plugin for Revit, SketchUp, Rhino, Archicad, and Vectorworks. Overall, it is a great rendering and visualization program that produces professional quality renders. Populating scenes. Lumion is a software for rendering only, so 3D objects have to be imported from another 3D modeling software. And you can also use Lumion's large and rich library that contains a lot of architectural assets and different ranges of objects like plants, external furniture, cars, animals, internal furniture, and even some effects like water and fire. These objects can change size, colors, and materials according to the project's needs. It also provides ready scenes and landscape assets to include in the project like a realistic sky, sea, landscape, and even a desert. These scenes can be modified where user can add mountains, a lake, and slopes for better integration of the project on the site. On the other hand, Enscape offers a lot of features like landscape design, animation, rendering, annotation, and visual tours. It also contains a large library of assets like plants, flowers, people, and so on. Also, the camera in Enscape is easily manipulated to turn around the object or the project asset in the scene. It also offers a large variety of realistic textures for better rendering results. Another great benefit of using Enscape is that any changes made in the modeling software are automatically visible in Enscape since the two software are connected together. And thanks to the live link technology, you can change and review changes in real time. It is a great thing, especially if the designer or the architect has a meeting with clients or when they have deadlines. Enscape also provides the possibility to create a web standalone file for the project to send to a client or colleague easily. Rendering and animation. Lumion has become a lot better, and its developers made noticeable progress in terms of the quality of the renders. Throughout the versions that have been released over the years, the quality of the renders in the software has become better, specifically when it comes to interior renders. For users of Lumion, it provides a series of customized picture resolution predefined by the software. It also provides a large range of effects for interior and exterior rendering, like realistic image effects, light effect, wind effect, rain effect, and others. As a user, you can also control the direction of the sun, the time of the day, and the season of the year before rendering. Even the quality of the clouds in the sky is manageable in Lumion. When it comes to rendering speed and image rendering in Lumion, it can take less than a minute, and an animation can take a couple of hours and sometimes more, depending on the configuration of the computer and also the length of the video. Panoramic Pictures mode is also available in Lumion, and it is used mostly in urban projects. As for animation, it is the same configuration for an image rendering. The only difference is the user gets to define the different scenes and the places he wants to highlight during the animation. On the other hand, Enscape provides nice and relatively realistic rendered pictures in a matter of seconds, since it is a versatile plugin that can be integrated within multiple 3D software. This makes the work of the designer or the architect easier. After setting up all the different textures and adding different scene assets, the 3D render can take few seconds to a minute, and the results can be really good. It also offers the possibility to create videos and panoramic pictures. Additionally, before rendering in Enscape, you have access to multiple controls, where you get to choose between the 4 render styles: default mode, white mode, polystyrol mode, and light mode. You can also adjust the field of view, the exposure, and the resolution of the image before rendering. Freedom and flexibility of Lumion and Enscape. In Enscape, the Setting tab gives you the chance to enable VR, stereo mode, automatic resolution, and grass rendering. You can also edit the time of the day, panoramas, picture settings, and videos. And you can specify the format of the file in case of exporting. When it comes to Lumion, the software also provides multiple settings and features to make the workflow simpler for users. Before starting to edit the project, you have multiple settings and parameters to control, like the quality and the resolution of the workspace to make the software work smoothly and increase its speed, especially if you are going to work on a big and heavy project. You can also improve the quality of the trees and vegetation, increase rendering to a high quality to preview images before rendering, activate the sound, and full screen mode. Lumion also provides multiple settings for the sun, clouds, time, and adding effects to images before rendering. And as for image resolution, it offers 4 settings by default, where a user gets to choose directly. The interface of Lumion and Enscape. To do all this work, Lumion provides a simple interface that anyone can use easily. It doesn't contain a lot of tools, and every group of tools is linked together, which makes the work easy and organized. The interface of Enscape, on the other hand, is so familiar, and the tools are friendly, and any beginner can manage to use it easily. It doesn't require any training, and any CAD user can use it easily. This software has been released recently, but with every version, it improved and provided better features every time. Navigation controls are shown by default on the interface, so that users for the first time can get used to it, and it can be hidden later if needed. Industries that use Enscape and Lumion. Lumion is a software used mostly by architects, also interior designers, especially after the latest version, where the quality of the renders is high and close to reality. Also, most of the furniture provided by Lumion is for architects and interior designers, so it makes a lot of sense. Enscape is mostly used by architects, landscape designers, and interior designers, so it is used more for construction and design industry, just like Lumion. The learning curve. Both software are relatively easy to learn. Lumion is more like a simple software and anyone can use it easily. The tools and commands are organized, from choosing the environment at first, then adding the object needed, like trees, plants, and humans, to editing materials and environments like skies and clouds, and finally doing the render. On the other hand, since Enscape is considered a plugin or an add-on, it doesn't contain a lot of commands and tools. Also, it is simple and easy to use, and it doesn't demand a lot of configurations, and allows easy selection and inspection of all BIM information within a project. Computer configurations and operating systems. Lumion is definitely a powerful and heavy software according to the quality of the renders and features it offers. That's why it demands a high-performance computer with 2 graphic cards and a strong memory. And it is better if it is a desktop computer with a good ventilation system to protect the processor and graphics card from overheating. Lumion is available on Windows only, and there is no Mac version, although it is a very well-known software. Enscape, like any other rendering software, demands a strong computer. It has to have a powerful processor and external graphic cards as well, because of the high quality of renders that can be performed in addition to running on a 3D package like SketchUp, Revit, and others. And if a client wants a better result in a shorter period of time, it would be better to use even a more powerful computer. Enscape is available on Windows only, and it is web-based, but there isn't a Mac, Android, or an iOS version. Pricing and licensing. You can get Enscape for $47 per month or $469 per year, and you can also download a 14-day trial to test the workflow of the software before buying the license. On the other hand, the latest version of Lumion costs $1,499 per year, which is expensive compared to Enscape, and also it won't be very affordable for average architects, designers, small businesses, and students. Lumion also offers a free trial of 14 days to test the software and to see what it is capable of. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to say, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.